Shorty said she wanna take pics. All she really talk about is bust down, baby, take a look at mine. LIT, you know she lit. Shorty said she wanna take pics. All she really talk about is bust down, baby, take a look at mine. If I told you I spent last quarter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be my first time doing the bulk cap method and getting this install. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. This is also going to be a story time on the time my cousin scammed me. So if you're interested in the story, keep watching as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't even know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. The bulk cap method. I usually get my wigs installed for the first time, and then I don't see the point in doing the bulk cap method if you're reinstalling a wig. But this time I have a new wig and I don't want to get an install because I'm trying to save money. If lockdown restrictions start getting eased and stuff, I'm gonna have a birthday probably. So if I have a birthday, then I mean, obviously I have a birthday, but like, I mean, I might actually get the chance to celebrate my birthday. If I'm gonna celebrate my birthday, then I'm gonna need money. So I need to save money. I'm just gonna install this myself. It's not really, I'm not even installing it for a special occasion, like, so that's why I'm really not fussed to go to someone. We'll just see how this goes. I'm quite scared. I'm very concerned. But I've watched bulk cap method videos like before, but it's just too long. Like, I've just never adopted it as a routine because it already takes me 1 hour to install my hair. I don't need all of this added stress on top of it. Like, what am I doing this for? I don't know what I'm doing this for. Honestly, I think it just helps with the longevity of the install, and then, you know, I don't know, because I'm seeing mixed reviews about it protecting the edges, and I can't attest to that. I can't corroborate that story. It's not looking like how the Instagram girls make it look, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what's going on. Something's not right. I don't know what my next step is. I hate using Got To Be Spray, honestly, with all my heart I hate using it. This one is the real one, this one's the fake one. I think this is better. I thought of a story to tell. I'm not even sure if I should tell it because it's not gonna sound very coherent because I'm distracted, but I'll tell it anyways. But yeah, so the story. Okay, I'll even put it in the title and I'll even make it clickbait. But basically the story is, I don't want to call her my cousin, my family friend, oh dear, I don't even know what I'm doing. My family friend scammed me. I had to start again because I'm not sure if you noticed, I obviously didn't account for my low hairline. Okay, I brushed back my edges to the best of my ability with a bit of gel because I don't like using gel on my natural hair. My cousin scammed me, cool. It was first year of college, and obviously in college money was like non-existent. Like, times were really tough, especially first year of college, because bursary was just all over the place. Like, they weren't really on it in terms of bursary. Like, my bursary was delayed for months, and then when it finally arrived, I had other things to, you know, use the money for. So when it came to now me buying things that I wanted, it was not really possible because I had no money, right? With me not having money, I could have obviously just gone to like a half price plug on Snap or something like that. I'm trying to say that I don't buy things from people that haven't been vouched for.
I think somebody trying to set me up.
So I'm not just going to go out of my way to be looking for half price connects and all of this just because I don't have money. It's not that deep. I'm minding my business. I'm saying my cousin, but she's not really my cousin, she's my family friend. But obviously we called each other cousin, but she's my family friend. So cool. I'm seeing her post this person that she's posted before, and then one day she posts a night package. So you just, I'm not focusing because how am I going over the same area 10 times? I need to speak English so that people understand. She's taken a picture of the night package and added him on Snap. I've now popped up to have been like, okay, like, just to like double check, because I'm not crazy, do you know what I mean? I'm not just gonna add him. I don't know this guy from Adam, I'm not gonna add you randomly. So I've just asked her, like, is this a legitimate, you know, is he reliable? Do you know this guy? Do you know him in real life? Type of thing, just to make sure that this person is vouched for. So cool. She said yes. I've taken your word for it because, you know, I don't believe that you're gonna lie. So cool, we've started the process. We've started the process of, you know, I mean, not you know, because you might not know, because you might have never gotten something half price. But obviously you have to send them what you want, whether it's a basket of goods or just one item, whatever. I sent a picture of the Jordans that I wanted. The Jordans were £60, guys. This is how you know I was down bad. if I had waited a few weeks, my bursary would have dropped and I could have gotten those Jordans. I don't know what was going on. I sent him the picture of the Jordans. I'm not confident in this at all. I've sent him the picture of the Jordans, right? I sent it to him, yeah. And he's, what's it called? Obviously, he sent me his details and I sent the money, I sent the £30. I was thinking like, okay, let me give him time. Obviously, he might be a student, might be busy, might have a schedule that he needs to adhere to before he can actually do my order, okay? So I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt. I'm minding my business. A couple weeks go by now. I haven't seen any, you know, confirmation. So, as I was saying, he finally opened my message, right? He opened my message and error, mess up. I don't know if this is safe to like cut. He finally replied to my message, yeah. Finally opened my message and please tell me why this guy, yeah, this guy gave me, not if you do fraud, yeah, if you're aware of like how fraud works and stuff, you'll know what I'm talking about. But he basically gave me credit card information. Like he sent me credit card information for me to do it myself. Guys, no word of a lie, like I'm not even joking. Guys, this guy sent me, yeah, he sent me credit card information. Sorry, I'm gonna cut myself. He sent me credit card information for me to do the order myself. Bro, I was just thinking, is it drugs? Like, are you actually on drugs?
Are you on drugs? Are you fucking on drugs?
That's like, I don't even know an analogy to use to describe what he did. Like, how can you give me, I'm paying you, bro, why am I paying you then? I'm sorry, I didn't think this through at all. Then I messaged my cousin, because obviously if you vouch for somebody, you're not responsible, but like, you know, you vouch for them. You vouch for them. You're not responsible, but you vouch for them. So it's kind of you fall in my hand, not they have, because you vouch for them. I was saying to my cousin, I was like, what's going on? Like, tell your friend, like, as in be calling his phone and like get him to do my order because it's been a while. I'm gonna call him K because that's literally what his name was, KD or something like that, or some sort of initial, KD. Like I said, my bursary money has come in, so I'm able to buy the shoes myself now, so I don't really need you at this point. So I'm telling him like, give me my money back. The Jordans were £60, guys. I sent him 30 measly pounds. Just for context purposes, when you see why the situation really riled me up, this guy doesn't have bank transfer apparently, guys. This was only a few years ago, before people, I'm not old, it was in the day and age of online banking. So why don't you have bank transfer? Cool, I'll meet you.
You got me now. You got me now. You got me now. Oh, you figured me out.
This guy lived in, not Sidcup. He went to college in Sidcup and he lived in Woolwich. I live here. This is Southwark. Sidcup is just far off, like nobody was ever going to Sidcup, not me anyways. My college is all the way over here, across the river type of thing, like Camden. So cool. That means I have to go from Camden to Woolwich, that's an hour journey, to get my £30. Okay, right. We agreed to meet up before the day. The day has now come, so I'm now messaging him like, oh, where should I meet you? Because I'm not going to go to main Woolwich and start shouting your initials that are not even your government name. I'm not going to go to main Woolwich and be screaming KD, KD, come out, wherever you are. I need a location, otherwise I'm not coming. Because why am I going to go there for? To be stranded? Message him, no answer. I just sat on my bus, I got off at my stop, I went to my house to rest my head. And I think a point just came where I was like, oh, okay, it's fine, like I'm not gonna meet you because you're wasting my time, obviously you're taking a piss. Give it to my cousin when you next see her. He did that because, well, I don't know how he got it to her, I don't know what happened, but she confirmed that she got the money. It's not a story of, oh, he didn't give me the money. It's a story of, you have the money, now I'm chasing you type of thing. I shouldn't even be chasing you, but anyways, don't be fazed by the fact that it's £30. Doesn't matter that it's £30. Any amount of money, you're in control of, you're in ownership of my money, you have it now. Yeah, he no longer has my money type of thing. I'm off his case, I've blocked him or whatever. Now I'm messaging my cousin like, oh, send me my money. She too doesn't have online banking. I've now said the same thing, like, I will meet you. So yeah, the day has now come, same thing. She doesn't give me her address in time. So on the day that I agreed to come, I can't come because I don't have your address. After that, she was kind of just ghosting me, like, honestly. Since we've been posting on Snap and not opening the messages that I sent to her, babe, you don't have a subscribe button. I don't understand why you're not responding to your snaps.
You need to calm down still, you're not them still.
And I'm the type of person, I'll take the piss. I called her 10 times in a row, like, if you're not answering my phone, because this was before, obviously before you could decline on iPhone, and with iPhone you just had to answer, otherwise you can't use your phone. I would call it tens of times in a row because why are you taking the piss? Not even that I'm a petty person, but before I was a different person. Obviously that was before I was in Christ or anything. Like, I could have done a madness over this £30, you know. You don't know what I could have done over this £30, but you wanted to bet it all on this £30. Also, why I blocked her on Snap. No, there was something that happened, yeah. There was something that happened that this girl was indirecting me on Snap. You're indirecting me, but you owe me money. What? What's happening? You're indirecting me, but you owe me money. Is everything okay? The situation is over. I love everybody with the love of Christ. But I must have called her phone bare times in a row. I remember I was with my friend. I was like, okay, can I call her with no caller ID on your phone, or can I call her from your phone so it's like she doesn't think it's my number, and see if she answers. I was calling her, and then she must have put strike 1 on her story. Later that day, I was thinking, I must have seen it later that day, but it was posted around the same time that I was at my friend's house, because obviously Snapchat shows you how many hours ago something's posted. I was thinking, huh? Cool. Then I went to our chat. I was thinking maybe she's not talking about me. You have my number, so I don't know why you're putting strike 1 on your story as if you're 12 years old. I've gone to our chat, and I've started screenshotting, because when you screenshot, I'm pretty sure it kind of counts as a message. Like, it will show up as a new thing, and it will bring the chat to the top of the person's list. So then I was obviously screenshotting our chat to bring it to the top of the chat. She went to her story again and posted strike 2. This time I was at home, so I saw it. Like, I just blocked her because you must be crazy. You actually must be mad, because I should have actually seen what strike 3 would have been, because it must be an illness. Then I started messaging her brother. Okay guys, I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm gonna charge my phone as well because I've been recording for an hour or so. I'll be back in 20 minutes after this has melted, and we'll see what I've done. Okay guys, looks like I'm going out last minute. I haven't actually let this sit for the full amount of time, but it will have to do. I'm missing out key parts of the story because I saw her in a hairstylist chair, a hairstylist that I'm subscribed to. Like, she's a really good hairstylist, well known in London, and I think she was, like, at the time, she was one of the few hairstylists, or not few, but like, it wasn't really normal for hairstylists to be charging £100 a few years ago, innit? But she was one of the people that charged a lot, like over £100. So I must have seen her in her chair. I'm thinking, okay, so that hairdresser's not doing your hair for free, so you're paying her £120, yeah, and you owe me £30.
Ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
She must have got in touch with me. I think this was before I blocked her. Sorry, I'm very bad at telling stories because my memory is horrible. Because me blocking her is the end of the story, because nothing happened after that, so I don't know why I said that. This was before I blocked her. Obviously, before I blocked her, she must have said, oh, she's gonna send me the money, or she's gonna get her brother to send me the money because she doesn't have online banking. She's gonna get her brother to send me the money when he gets paid, which is like next Tuesday or something. I've messaged him now. I'm like, oh, can you get so and so to call me, please? It's urgent. He's saying, oh, you know, she's doing hair, she's with a client, Then I was thinking in my mind, like, you're using my money to get your hair done, babe. You owe me money. Like, I was just thinking. But yeah, after speaking to her brother is when the whole strike thing happened, and then I blocked her. I haven't spoken to her since that.
This is no flitter. This is no fucking flitter. Fuck the flitters. Look.
I'll probably come back tomorrow. Obviously, that's the end of the story, to be honest. So if you're in here for the story, that's what happened. Haven't spoken to her since that day, because if you're gonna snake people over £30, I don't need to be friends with you. Okay guys, it's the next day and I have like 30 minutes to do this. Oh my god, look at my face. I have bags. It just doesn't look nice. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
You know she lit. Shorty said she wanna take pics. All she really talk about is bust down, baby, take a look at mine. If I told you I spent last quarter.